So welcome to this section, and in this section we are going to export our classified image to Drive. So here I will say export results to Drive. Export results to Drive. Then here I'm going to define export dot image first. Export image dot to Drive. Export image dot to Drive. And this one is going to take our image, and our image is our classified image. So classified image. And then the next parameter will be description. So the name of our image, or how will it be called on in the Drive. So we can say classified underscore 2017 underscore 2020, like that. Okay. And then I'll say scale, and scale is going to be 30 resolution, 30 meter resolution. And then the maximum number of pixels that I would like to export, max pixels, this is going to be up to 1 times 10 raised to power 13, like that. Okay, so I put a semicolon, and then I'm going to click on save and then run. So this is going to run, and it will update us here, or alert us here on the tasks, so that we can see what it's actually doing. So as it does that, I'm going to open ArcMap. ArcMap 10.5, that is what I'm using currently. Okay. So here on the tasks, you can see that we have our classified image 2017-2020. And so we are going to download this. I think I can just rename it, because I already have another one in the Drive. So I can just rename this as 1720. Then repeat to run that, so that we get the correct name. I don't want to mistake with the previous one. Okay. So we are running ArcMap here, and we just want to see these things in the ArcMap. Yeah, so we have classified 1720. Click on run. You can specify the folder. For example, I will say what could be the folder? I will say today folder. So a folder called today in my Drive. So this one is going to be, the file name is classified 1720, and the image is the geotiv, and the scale is 30 meter resolution. I'm going to click on run. Yeah, so this is going to run this file and then download it to Drive. Okay. On the console, I think we did everything right. So let me see if ArcMap is ready. So ArcMap is here and it is ready. So I just need to confirm, wait for this one to finish downloading to Drive. And then after that, we open ArcMap and then do some basic analysis. Okay. So I'll pause here. I'll come back when it has finished downloading. Okay, I think I forgot to include something, because it looks like it's taking too much time to get to download. I forgot to put the region, so GE is confused because it's going to download almost everything. So the region is the table. Remember our table, which is our region of interest. So that is what it's supposed to be. So I just save, and then I repeat to run the code. Okay. So hopefully this is not going to take so much time, because we're already 5 minutes in and it is still not downloading. So it looks like it will continue to do that. But let us go and change the folder to today, and then the name is that one. Run. So like we have two processes going on. We are downloading this and this one. So I thought maybe when I run it will pause the previous one, but it is not doing that. So it is just continuing to run the previous one. But let us see what we get. This one is also taking quite some time. Let us just wait and see. I had some other things going on, but they did fail. So do not worry about the whatever failed here. So the other one has finished, but it has taken 7 minutes. I'm not interested in that because it is not clipped to the region of interest. I'll just wait for this one to just take its time and download. Yeah, so it has finished. So what you need to do is just head over to Google Chrome or your browser that you are using, then go to Drive. So click on Drive. So if you go to Drive and check on the your drive, you are supposed to see the folder. So I have my folder there as today, and I have this one. So looking at the time, so I'll download this because looking at the file size, it looks like this one is heavier than the other one. So I'll just download the one with the least file size. Yeah, and that one has finished. So I'll go to ArcMap, then go to data, add data, and then I'll go to downloads and add the classified 1720. Then I click on add, and then we have our classified image here. So what we are supposed to do is to remove this dark background, which is like zero data, it has no value. So for that case, we need to go to data management tools. Then you look for raster, click on raster, then click on raster dataset, then click on copy raster, Then for copy raster here, we are going to put our input image as our current image classified, our classified image. And then the output, you can change the output. I'll just change the output to some folder somewhere. I don't know where I'll put it, but I can just put it here and say, this is new underscore 17 underscore new 17 underscore 20, and then we just save. Okay. Then now here on the no data value is where we put 0 to remove the dark background. Then on the format we have several file formats. which is the Esri grid. But here on the pixel type, we have different kind of pixel types. So if you want to confirm what type of yours is, you need to right click here, right click on the image, go to properties, then properties, and go to I think it's supposed to be general or something, source. Yeah, so source pixel type is signed integer, pixel depth is 32-bit. Okay, so we know it is 32-bit signed integer. So we come here to pixel type and then we choose 32-bit signed, like that. It is optional, but it is good that you just put the type of your the pixel type of your image. So click on OK. So this is going to run and remove the background color. So just give it some time so that it completes the process. It's taking quite some time. There it is coming. Yes, so we have finished the raster, the copying the raster. So what you need to do is just uncheck the previous one. Then we have our new classified 2017-2020. So here you can now change the colors, but first of all you need to create a good legend. So go to symbology, right click, go to symbology. Then here you now give it a name as built up. The second one is Bearland. The second one is Bearland. The third one is Cropland. The fourth one is Forest. And the last one is Grassland. Like that. So click on apply. But you also need to change the colors. So the colors, I've chosen my colors as built up to be medium coral. So look for medium coral. I think flame red. Yeah, flame red is fine. Flame red. Flame red, was it flame red or something? Yeah, flame red is fine. Then Bearland. Bearland is Sahara sand. So look for Sahara sand is here. And then Cropland is for Tarago green. Look for Tarago green. Tarago green, Tarago green, Tarago green is here. Then for forest, forest is Peacock green. So look for Peacock green. Peacock green, far green is there. And then the last one is peridot green. Peridot green, peridot green, peridot. Very nice. So you click on that one, apply, and OK. So here is our classified image 2017 to 2020. Yeah, so this is it. We are going to repeat the same process in section 7. Get the training points for image 2021 to 2024. Then repeat the whole process and then come up with an image like this one, which we shall now use to do change detection and analysis. Okay, so see you in the next lesson, or in the next section, I mean.